Is sponsored by ResilientYou. May has been the governor-declared Resilient Utah Month, and Brittany James is back to tell us about how Utahns have come together to build resilience. Welcome back, Brittany. It's great to see you.
Thank you. I'm glad to be here.
This has been a fun month as ResilientYou ambassador. I've been able to be a part of all these great events. We had the Salt Lake Bees, the Utah Prevention Day.
Yes.
What was it? 12,000 kids were busting for that celebration?
Yes, 5th and 6th graders.
It was a party, and we had the Education Tribute Awards and also some tools for parents. What was that?
Yeah, that is our spring into summer parent guide that we've sent out.
This is awesome. There's so many things going on, as well as Utah getting involved. In fact, our Governor Cox has a special message. Check this out.
I am resilient. I have the power to overcome.
We are resilient. Each year, we recognize our resilience and honor Utah children and families by declaring the month of May as Resilient Utah Month. Discover ways to build lasting resilience in your children through the power of music with the Resilience Building Toolkit on ResilientYou.org.
I am resilient.
Building resilience is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Visit ResilientYou.org and click on the Resilience Building Toolkit for Families. Simply watch the Something Good Inc. children's show. Review questions and challenges after each music video, then discuss and set family and individual goals. We are ResilientYou.
What a great message that is, and what a great song, by the way.
Oh, yes.
Just kind of, yeah, music is powerful, right? And the Resilience Building Toolkit has a lot of that. What is that all about?
Yes, so our Resilience Building Toolkit includes our 30-minute children's television show, and it has 7 different music videos. So it's great to get the kids dancing and singing along, but they also have really important messages to learn for kids with questions and challenges.
That's cool. What kind of resources does it provide parents? And you're a great host, by the way.
Oh, thank you. Well, it is a great resource for parents because with the questions and challenges, it actually is designed to open up dialogue for the parents and the kids.
Why do you think resilience is so important, especially kids?
It's so important to learn resilience, especially as children, because they're in a very impressionable developmental stage in their life. And if we teach them this now as parents and teachers, think of how much more ahead they will be in the game.
Yeah, you're absolutely. You've seen this firsthand as the host of Something Good Inc.
Yeah.
How has this impacted your life?
Oh, it's been really, really great getting to interact with the kids and getting to see them sing along to the music. And not only that, they're meaning what they're singing.
So all this, where can we go for more information to find resilience?
Yes, so you can go to ResilientYou, that's capital YOU.org.
ResilientYou.org. Thank you, Brittany. You're awesome. Keep up the great work.